Creamy fettuccine boscaiola without the cream. This dish was extremely popular in the 70s in Italy, and it was also served at weddings. Let's find out why it was so special. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where I make your pasta you can't refuse. Now, boscaiola pasta, it was a pasta created hundreds of years ago, before the tomato came to Italy, okay, from America. Now, this pasta was invented by the woodmen, the wood people that work for timber. They needed energy, okay, when they cut timber all day long. So they needed salami, they needed ham, they needed sausages. There is not an authentic recipe of this, okay? Even though it comes from the north part of Tuscany, near Emilia-Romagna, there are thousands, millions of versions of this. This is how I like to make it, okay? I don't like to use cream, I like to use cheese that turns into cream. To make fettuccine boscaiola, we need, first of all, you can use fettuccine or tagliatelle, use egg pasta, egg fettuccine or egg tagliatelle, okay? We need 2 sausages. This is how I like to make it, with 2 Italian sausages. You can use ham if you want, but I do like the sausages. They have a stronger flavor and yum yum. About 200 grams of sliced mushrooms. Use any mushrooms that you like, okay? I usually go for porcini. I was not able to find them, so I'm just going with regular mushrooms. 3 tablespoons of pecorino cheese. 3 tablespoons of mascarpone, which is replacing the cream. I chose mascarpone because I don't want to use cream, but you can use any cream cheese. You can use Philadelphia cheese, you can use any type of cream cheese that you love. 2 garlic cloves, nice bunch of parsley, a standard half glass of white wine of your choice, extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper. First thing to do, guys, is to cut the sausages. So what we do is we get a knife and we want to cut the sausage like that, enough. Remove the skin. Some people say, I want to buy ground sausage mix. It's easier. Okay, you can do that. What we do now, we press. The reason why we do this is because it will be more difficult to do it once we start cooking it. So we press. Do the other one too. Now we can cook it. So by doing this, I make it easier to cook the sausages, and it will divide into smaller pieces, which is what we want. In a nice saucepan, have about 3-4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to place the sausages in there. Here we go. Keep pressing with the sausages. Keep pressing the mix. Now at the same time, we're going to crush the garlic. Crush the garlic. At the same time, we're going to add the sliced mushrooms. Perfect. Stir. Now the mushrooms are going to create a little bit of water, which helps not to burn the garlic. We're also going to combine all the ingredients, so the mushrooms and the sausages will give more flavors to each other, which is what we want. And this process might take about 10 minutes, okay, from now. So once you see that the meat is starting to brown a little, just a little bit, we want to add the wine, okay, the white wine. Now, some people don't like to use wine, and I understand, okay? If for any reason you don't want to use wine, use water, okay? Just water will do the job. Now, once you put the wine in, what's going to happen is the sausage will get a little bit softer and easier to break, okay? So what we want to do, basically we want to have small pieces of sausages, just like that. Okay, so that will be easier to eat. It will be easier for the pasta to collect the meat. Okay, instead of having a big chunk like this one. Try to break it. This is a 10 minutes pasta, guys, so there's nowhere for you to go. Stay next to your pasta and dedicate all your passion and love to this dish. After about 5 minutes of cooking the mushrooms and the sausages, and they are still cooking, I can boil the pasta. My egg fettuccine takes about 7 minutes to cook, okay? So 1 tablespoon of rock salt into the water. We do want lots of water so the pasta can dance when you cook it. And here we go. A quick stir, just a quick stir. And see you in 5 minutes, guys. Okay, the pasta is boiling. This is almost ready. We've got a few more minutes to go. Let's put some salt, just a sprinkle of salt. Let's be generous with the pepper. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Here is the pepper. Quick mix it around. See, we want the wine to evaporate. What we have over here, it's a combination of wine and water from the mushrooms, because the mushrooms create water, okay? But it will very soon will disappear. By the time we finish boiling the pasta, this sauce will be gone, and then we can use the pasta water. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some parsley, just to give a little bit of green to this boscaiola. Stir, so the parsley can make love with all the ingredients. And gently cook it until we wait for the pasta to be ready. Before we add the pasta in the saucepan, we want to get a mug of pasta water. Now the pasta is ready, and all we need to do is collect it and add it to the saucepan. I'm going to make your pasta you can't refuse. And here we go. First fettuccine going there. Hello guys, meet your new friends, fettuccine. Meet your new friends, mushroom and Italian sausages. Now this is what we do. We're gonna add the mascarpone cheese, okay? And we want to stir. Stir. The mascarpone will melt, as you can see. Look how much is melting. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. We're gonna add a little bit of pasta water, maybe half mug, not too much. And the egg pasta will absorb the cream, the water, okay? So don't be scared to add half mug of pasta water. Here we go. Now we start tossing. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now guys, remove the pasta from the stove, and we are gonna add the pecorino and the parsley, okay? And now we are ready to toss all the ingredients together. A quick mix, quick mix. This is how you make a creamy boscaiola pasta, a pasta you can't refuse. Now it's time to serve this beautiful creamy pasta. Pasta boscaiola. Here we go. Look how creamy it is. Look how silky, creamy, full of love pasta. Now we need to add all the porcaria, like my great grandfather used to say. All the ingredients on top and the cream. Look how creamy it is. Everything. Everything goes right on top, baby. Oh yeah. The cream made with mascarpone and pecorino cheese with a touch of pasta water. Yeah. Nice and creamy. Let's sprinkle some pecorino cheese on top, just before we eat it. Alright, it's time to try it now. Oh, beautiful. Nice and creamy, just the way I like it. Yum. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Creamy, silky, pasta cooked to perfection. The sausage and mushrooms combine so well together. Fantastic pasta. Do we need to bring this back on the menus? I think we do. This deserves to be on the menus of Italian restaurants. It's such a beautiful classic, done in 10 minutes. Why don't you want to have this on a weekly basis? I like it. I've got power right now. Yeah, I can cut the timber. Let's do it. Guys, please let me know if you want to bring this dish back to the restaurant, to the Italian restaurants. I think it deserves to go on the menus. So thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Mmm. 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 I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. Sorry. Probably a blooper.